This is Lisa welcoming you to the Whimsy Stamps channel and introducing you to the Panda Peekers 4x6 clear stamp set and outline dies. Let me begin by mentioning that the outline dies are sold separately. There are three panda images in this set, the largest of which measures approximately 2¼ inches wide by 1¾ inches high. This set is good for all kinds of occasions with sentiments ranging from life is unbearable without you, hooray, it's your day, to could you be any more awesome. The coordinating outline dies include one die for each of the pandas. It doesn't get any better than outline dies and the results that they produce. Now, the end result will be cuteness overload whether you keep it simple or add depth and texture with your favorite coloring mediums. Here are a few samples I created to share with you featuring the Panda Peeker stamp set and outline dies. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and for more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group, and we would love to have you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest where you'll find more inspiration. Until next time, please take care.